In this video, we are going to explore the top 5 blockchain platforms that are leading the way in decentralized applications. Join us as we delve into these innovative technologies. Ethereum is number 1 on our list. It is the world's first smart contract platform. It boasts the largest decentralized finance, or DeFi ecosystem. Ethereum uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. It is also known for its Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM compatibility standard. Here is a smart contract example written in Solidity. You can see the Pragma Solidity version is greater than or equal to 0.8.0. We define a contract called simple storage. Inside, we declare an unsigned 256-bit integer named data that is publicly accessible. The set function takes an unsigned 256-bit integer as input and sets the data variable to this value. The get function returns the value of data. Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, comes in at number 2. It is an Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM, compatible blockchain, known for its ultra-low transaction fees and a block time of just 3 seconds. It features a dual-chain architecture. As for performance metrics, the transaction fee is around $0.10. The block time is 3 seconds. Transactions per second capacity is over 2,000, and it has over 5 million daily users. At number 3, we have Solana. Solana is a high-performance blockchain, capable of over 65,000 transactions per second. It achieves sub-second finality using its unique proof-of-history consensus mechanism and offers low transaction costs. Here is an example of a Rust program. At the top, we import necessary modules like account info, entry point, message, and program error. Then we have the entry point macro and the process instruction function that takes in accounts and returns a program result. Inside the function, we print Hello Solana and return OK. Polygon, our number 4 pick, is a Layer 2 scaling platform for Ethereum. It offers full Ethereum compatibility through its Plasma and Proof-of-Stake bridge, with developer-friendly tools. Comparing Polygon to the Ethereum mainnet, transaction speeds are 100 times faster, gas fees are 1,000 times lower, block time is 2 seconds versus 12 seconds, and the carbon footprint is 99.9% less. Cardano, the 5th platform on our list, is a research-driven blockchain. It is built on a foundation of peer-reviewed research and utilizes the Ouroboros proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Cardano supports Plutus smart contracts and is designed to be sustainable and energy efficient. Here is a Haskell smart contract example. We have a simple validator function. The module imports necessary components. The simple validator function takes built-in data and script context as input, and returns a Boolean value, which is always true. The validator function calls mkValidator script to compile the simple validator. Here is an overview comparing the platforms. Ethereum has 15 transactions per second, a block time of 12 seconds, transaction fees between $5 to $50, and uses proof of stake. Binance Smart Chain has 2,000 transactions per second, a block time of 3 seconds, transaction fees around $0.10, and uses proof of authority. Solana has 65,000 transactions per second, a block time of 0.4 seconds, transaction fees of $0.00025, and uses proof of history. Polygon has 7,000 transactions per second, a block time of 2 seconds, transaction fees of $0.01, and uses proof of stake. Cardano has 1,000 transactions per second, a block time of 20 seconds, transaction fees of $0.17, and uses Ouroboros proof of stake. When choosing the right platform, consider these recommendations. Solana and Polygon are best for high-performance, speed-critical applications. Ethereum is suited for enterprise applications requiring maximum compatibility and security. Binance Smart Chain and Polygon are excellent for budget-conscious projects. Cardano is ideal for academic and sustainable solutions. Ultimately, the future is multi-chain. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.